FoodPharma SoftChew recipe development. Step 1. Selecting the base. The first step in developing your SoftChew is selecting the base. There are several base options: natural, natural organic, sugar-free, corn syrup, lower in sugar, and hybrid syrups. Once the base is selected, we'll then focus on functionality. Of course, we discussed function before starting, but determining the base is the first step. Step 2. Select functionality. There are many functionalities available for your SoftChew. Our research and development department, as well as our science board, is here to help you in selecting to make the perfect SoftChew for your customers. Step 3. Flavor. We only use the best in organic and natural ingredients while making your SoftChew. Our research and development team and science board is here to work with you to craft the perfect SoftChew that's delicious, nutritious, and your clients will love. With nearly 200 ingredients available, we offer more botanicals, ingredients, and features for your SoftChew to make it incredibly nutritious and exceptionally delicious. Let's review. The first part is determining the recipe with base and functionality. Afterwards, we move on to testing until approval of flavor, texture, and desired results. And finally, recipe approved. After approval, product is sent to production. Development time to market ready is approximately 3 months. Our quick launch provides faster ready-to-market supplements as an option. Talk with our team members to learn more.